Hi friends, so if I want to highlight the important part of a sentence, I'm going to read the sentence first. Write a sentence to tell the title, setting, and main characters. So I'm thinking to myself that one of the important words in this step to writing a paragraph is the title, because I want to make sure I include the title. So I'm going to take my cursor, I'm going to click right in front of the word title and highlight it. Then I'm going to come up here right next to the A with the underline with the line underneath it. There's a little paintbrush. If I put my cursor over it, it says highlight color. I'll click on that and then I'll pick a color. Now the word title is highlighted, but I think there's probably some other words in this step. Write a sentence to tell the title, setting, and main characters. I think setting is an important part of this step. So I'll highlight the word setting, come up here to the paintbrush. I can choose the same color or I can choose a different color. I'm going to choose purple this time. And now setting is highlighted also. That shows it's important. I also think main characters is going to be important. So I highlight main characters, come up here. Now I'm going to choose lime green. And I've highlighted the important words in that step. So you can do the same words as I did for the first one, and then I want you to choose the important words in the next 4 steps, highlight them any color you want, and then that will help you when you write your own paragraph tomorrow.